Shalom Aleichem, welcome to Assyrian Dishes. I'm Julian and we're back. This time it's in our new kitchen. Today we'll be making tomato red lentil soup or locha tamata. So let's start cooking. These are the ingredients for the tomato red lentil soup. You will need 796 ml can of diced tomatoes, 4 cups of red lentils, 1 chopped brown onion, 1 green pepper, capsicum chopped, 1 tablespoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 2 tablespoons of light olive oil, and 8 cups of boiling water. And this is how the tomato red lentil soup should look like. It's a great vegetarian meal or for Soma, so enjoy. Remember to subscribe to our channel, like, comment and share this recipe with your friends. And don't forget to visit our website at assyriandishes.com for more recipes. And if you're interested in any of our Assyrian Dishes kitchen products like our apron, tumbler, chopping board, oven mitts, tea towels, pastry brush and spatula, you can email us on assyriandishes@gmail.com or visit our website. Happy cooking, everyone!